it's me again, and for today we're tackling about search engines, what they are for, and how do they work. I have 5 search engines for you today and an additional tip I use when I save articles. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into the video. So what are search engines? These are software systems that carry out web searches, whether it's for academic purposes or not. We have so-called academic databases, in which it is a platform for research materials. When utilizing search engines, we do Boolean searches. What are those, you ask? Here are the answer. Boolean logic is an important concept in database searching. With a correct Boolean operator, it can make all the difference in a successful search. And or not. Your 3 basic Boolean commands. Here are their descriptions and other commands that you can use in conducting your search. Now that we know the how-tos in database searching, let's dive into our first search engine, American Society for Microbiology. Articles presented here focuses more on clinical and vaccine immunology. I'm searching about open heart surgery and I was given 65 results. I can deduce this search by limiting the time range to 2017 to 2020 and updated, I'm down to 1. Advanced searching are your specifics to time, type, and format. When I searched for dengue, 666 results were given. Deducing the number by refined searching, I'm down to 44. Next up is PubMed, and here we use Boolean operators to refine searches. I'm curious of what defibrillation and CPR are. Using AND searches, it will find all the search terms. Time range can be limited to 5 years, or you can choose free full text to narrow down the search. Clearly, when using AND, it will specify further onto what you are researching about. With 3 terms and the usage of AND, a specified search is made and it's down to 22 articles, giving you a very limited result. Next is the usage of OR, calcium channel blockers or antiarrhythmics. Using OR searches would find one term or the other. It will return all containing the terms, thus giving you a large number of results. With the usage of NOT eliminates items that contain in the specified term. This is a way to fine-tune the results and thus limiting the search. Here are additional tips for comparison. HiRAR is a site for medical-related journals and articles. It is sequenced alphabetically and by their topics, and searching HiRAR requires the general topic. Here I'm searching articles for my cardio report. I'm going to key in cardiology through the find bar and it will find it in the list and will lead me to articles related and under that topic. It is like a compilation site, although the searching is not as refined as others. Next up is Google Scholar, Google's very own. In here, you just key in the term and there, articles are brought about. It can limit articles by fixing the time range or the year, and Boolean operators can also be used to better specify what you're looking for. Scholar2 has a library for you to save your articles. In this search, we used Boolean operators such as your OR, AND, and NOT and yielded 64 results. Last but not the least is your Microsoft Academic. This database has a wide search with different and varying topics. In here, key in the term to search and it will show you 1,000 results. You can sort the articles by their saliency, newest first, oldest first, and their most citations. And Boolean operators can be used to refine the search. Adjust the time range to your need and filter out the search by ticking from top topics, publication types, and top authors. With the use of AND, we managed to narrow down the yielded results to 4 articles which are most relevant by ticking surgery, angina, PCI, and cardiovascular agent. With the same key terms, the yielded results for the search using OR and NOT was down to 100. Here's the additional tip when saving articles. In Chrome, just drag down the lock icon beside the site of the URL to your main desktop. When using Microsoft Edge, the same thing can also be done. But uniquely, Edge has a feature that is called collection. Last input. When searching for key terms in phrases, use your quotation marks. Also, when you're grouping terms, you make use of your parentheses. Research is the core basis for the advancement of technology. Utilize your search engine databases wisely, okay? Boolean operators are here to make it easier. Thank you for watching my video and see you on my next one.